Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked a pretty good question on Facebook this morning. If you're doing all this work and you're going to take all these things and then you're going to go and you're going to select them and you're going to weld them, but you want to round off the corners. So we're going to go to Dockers, Windows, Dockers, and corners, and we're just going to round them off like 0.5. Okay. One of them is too short somewhere. There it is right there. But then you do some other work and you write out some text, you draw some circles, you draw some squares, and you draw some lines, you draw a polygon, and just so on and so on. But then you've realized, man, that corner out there didn't round off, so I need to make them smaller. Well, you could go and undo create, but you'd have to undo, then you lose all this stuff. So what you can do is select all your other work and go Control C to copy it. Then go to Windows, Dockers, and History and go to the fillet and then go to Edit and undo the fillet and then go back. So select all this with the shape tool. Then go back to goes back to Windows, Dockers, and corners. And this time we're just going to round them off 0.25. Okay. So now we've got that back and we've got the corners we want. Then you can just right click and paste and you've got your work back and you can actually paste it, put it right where it was, or you can paste in view. So that'll maybe someday help somebody. And if you can't select all these because they're in the way, you could always use the freehand pick tool and, lasso them to pick them, but then Control C. And what's so nice about it, you can delete that, do what you want, and then go back to paste, put it right back, all your other work. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.